An interesting transportation solution. Wuppertal's floating train. Have you ever dreamed of riding on a floating train? Well, this is not a new idea at all. You might be surprised that this already became a reality over 100 years ago. The creation of the Wuppertaler Schwebebahn, a suspension train operating in Wuppertal, Germany, made it possible. German urban planners wanted to create an effective means of transportation for an increasingly industrialized city that often flooded. They designed the suspension monorail to solve this problem and opened it to the public in 1901. This public transportation system uses 20 stations over a distance of 13 kilometers. It can reach a speed of up to 60 kilometers per hour and reaches the end of the line in about 30 minutes. This monorail transports more than 80,000 people daily. During World War II, the monorail was damaged by air strikes, but it later returned to service in 1946. A publicity stunt by a local circus had an elephant go for a ride. The elephant got scared of the noises the monorail made while it was moving and fell out. Luckily, the elephant dropped unharmed into the river below. Today, the monorail still operates with modern additions. It has made the city of Wuppertal famous around the world.